Jyotibai Phule and Sasri Phule.
कोर्ट में दलील रखी गई।
Passed by the lower court.
जैसे एक पादरी चर्च में विवाह संपन्न कराता है,
Your appeal.
वैसे ही हिंदू समाज में एक पंडित कराता है, और ज्योतिबा फुले एक माली।
My lord, just like priests in churches, marriages in our community are only consecrated by Brahmins. Jyotiba Phule is neither a Brahmin nor, in fact, he comes from a family of florists, Phule. So he is not authorized to solemnize marriages.
So, you're a gardener now.
My lord, I'm defending this case.
जवाब में कमल शास्त्री ने कहा, जब पंडित छोटी जात के जोड़े का विवाह संपन्न कराता है तो उन्हें दूर से ही आशीर्वाद देता है, छूता भी नहीं। इसीलिए इस बेइज्जती से बचने के लिए ज्योतिबा फुले ने ये प्रथा शुरू की।
But the Brahmin priests stay far away from blessing the lower caste couples. They consider it below their dignity.
That's humiliating.
Precisely, my lord. To fight this humiliation, Jyotiba and Savitri have conducted marriages without any priest.
और ब्राह्मणों को ये चिंता थी कि अगर ये प्रथा शुरू हुई तो उनकी आमदनी का नुकसान होगा। ये धर्म का नहीं, रोजी रोटी का सवाल था। ज्योतिबा अपनी प्रथा चलाना चाहते हैं तो चलाएं, लेकिन विवाह की आय ब्राह्मणों को दे।
Then I pray that the fees that is to be paid in such cases be paid to the Brahmin priests who are being deprived of their livelihood.
My lord, may I ask a question to the learned public prosecutor?
Go ahead.
Thank you. Do you shave?
Yes, every day. But what is the connection, my lord?
Do you do it yourself?
Yes, I do. Jyoti was wasting the time of the court.
By shaving yourself, aren't you depriving the barbers of their livelihood? According to your logic, you should pay them the fees they charge for shaving.
I've come to a conclusion. I must say, you don't work, you don't get paid.
संयम से काम ले।